What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to clean a quarter window. First thing you want to do is mist the glass and take your white scrub pad and give the whole glass a good scrub. Then you want to take your contour covered in a lint-free cloth and deep clean inside the seals. If it's an older car, you may want to do this a couple of times. After that, you want to take your lint-free cloth and clean the frame. You want to do this just in case the film touches the frame on installation. The cleaner the surface, the less chances of contamination getting on the film. Now that the surfaces are clean, you want to mist the glass and squeegee the glass clean. I am starting at the top and working my way down. Pay attention to the angle of my squeegee. I am working all the contamination and dirt down and to the sides. I like to do this process twice to ensure I have a really clean surface on the glass. Also notice how I am not flooding the glass with my spray. It's just a mist. You don't want to flood it because contamination can start to work its way down into the glass from the top seals. Now you want to flush the sides and the bottom and it's ready for install. Do not flush the top. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video and follow the course step by step.